First of all, President Eisenhower said that the American mind at its best is both liberal and conservative. I think he was right. I think that there are high-minded conservative values and there are high-minded liberal values. And they are sort of a yin and yang, a complementary dance at their best. The things that are a real problem in America today, that are serious opponents of democracy and that are an assault on our democratic freedoms, aren't conservative any more than they're liberal. They are an authoritarian corporatism. So I think high-minded conservatives would know that in me, they have a friend and they have someone ready for an honorable debate and a gracious conversation. Now, you mentioned two particular issues. You mentioned abortion and you mentioned gun rights. Now, on the issue of abortion, I believe that abortion is a moral issue. But I believe that it is an issue of private morality. So I think what conservatives would appreciate about me is that I acknowledge, which I think most Americans do, that it is a moral issue. But I believe that it is an issue of private rather than public morality. The government should have nothing to do with our private morals, and therefore I do not believe the government should have anything to do with what a decision a woman is making for her body. Anything that she does or does not do. So I think that conservatives would feel my acknowledgement of the moral issue. Once again, it's private and not public. In terms of guns, I certainly understand that it's a Second Amendment right, and I even agree with the conservative position about why the founders put it there. So there's no problem with that for me. However, we know that they were talking about a well-organized militia, and we
in gun rights.